Hi, I'm Jack from Crewe Volkswagen and I'm going to show you around this Approved Used Volkswagen.
This is the T-Cross Black Edition, finished in deep black pearlescent paint, featuring the 1 litre TSI petrol engine producing 110 PS with a 6-speed manual gearbox. So the car benefits from a full Volkswagen service history. She'll have peace of mind motoring alongside the Approved Used benefits, which I'll mention at the end of the video. At the front of the vehicle, you've got adaptive cruise control, so perfect for motorway journeys, alongside LED headlights providing fantastic vision in all conditions. Down the side of the car, you've got his lovely 17-inch Manila black diamond turned alloy wheels that finish off the exterior perfectly, alongside power folding and heated wing mirrors and privacy glass from the B pillar backwards. You have a generous amount of boot space available as well, with the adjustable boot floor currently in its lowest setting. It's also split folding seats, so plenty of room for your weekly shop plus much more there. Moving on to the interior, you've got the signature Black Edition seats with the part leather and part cloth. The rear passenger's got a couple of USB ports in the back as well to charge their devices, and at the front of the vehicle you've got a leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel and also a centre armrest to keep you nice and comfortable on the road at all times. Just behind the wheel, your full digital display housing all your vital driving information, and alongside digital radio and multiple media functions such as your Bluetooth, you'll also benefit from the brilliant AppConnect system, which will give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to mirror apps from your smartphone directly onto the screen, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. You'll have peace of mind whilst parking with front and rear parking sensors, and a little bit further down the cabin you've got your manual air conditioning, and a little bit of storage just below there as well, and a couple more USB ports to charge multiple devices on the move.
This vehicle comes with 2 years warranty, 2-year roadside assistance, as well as much more. If you need any more information, please call us on 01270 864 452 or inquire online now.